Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to summarize a YouTube video using AI. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then search for DeepSeek AI. And now you should choose the first option right here, then click on Start Now. Once you click on Start Now, you will have to log in, and you can log in using your Google account. And don't worry guys, it's completely free. Now you should go and search for the YouTube video that you need it to be summarized. Then you should scroll down a little bit till you find here in this section, description, click on more. And once you click on more, here you will find this section right here, transcript. Just click on show transcript. And on the top right corner right here, it will show you all the transcription of the video. You now have just to highlight it like so, just like this, copy it, then go here to DeepSeek and type, can you summarize this transcript from a YouTube video? Then now you'll have to add a colon, then add this sign right here. I don't know actually its name. Then paste it like this and click on the same sign like this also. Then click on enter. It will take a couple of seconds to give you the results. And now it actually transcribed the whole video into points. And these are actually the points that I was talking about in the video. So you can do this method with any other language in YouTube. And it doesn't mainly depend on the language of the video, but you should have the transcription of the video. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.